Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is Chris, and he's doing body weight squats for us this morning to show us the proper form to build his leg strength. Ready? Go. As he's doing that, he's actually going down and just barely touching his butt on that ball to make sure he's getting all the way down. And he's doing a really good form right there. So we're doing 50, right, Chris?
Yep.
Okay.
That's kind of how I read this. Wow. Just starting off, and there's not a list.
And he's already run a couple warm-up laps. He's already done a half mile this morning.
And let's see. It says we drop it off, we pick it up. If you want to keep it longer, it's $50 a week. Otherwise, you just get your yearly fee. I don't know. It sounds like they're being pretty innovative.
Yeah.
So
Almost there.
That's pretty cool.
You can't go on there and borrow anything yet. So.
Oh.
So, but if you need anything, I've got a couple of hammers. I got wrenches. Do you have a ladder? I need a ladder.
Actually, I do. That's a brother-in-law.
Ready?
So anyway, we'll have to keep our eye on it. It's not open yet. It's just
He's getting a little tired.
Good morning. This report is brought to you by Garmin. In Ontario, the 10 westbound is slow.
Alright, good job, Chris.